No, your lawyer didn't kill the deal, but your agent did forget to ask one or more of these three questions to prevent a disaster in real estate. Question one, who is actually on title? Question two, who will be signing the legal documents on completion day? Question three, if a power of attorney exists, has it been reviewed by a BC lawyer or notary for this specific transaction? You'd be amazed how many families don't know the answer. I'm Brendan with neuHouzz, and this is the difference between playing offense and playing defense. Defense is discovering a power of attorney problem 3 days before completion. Offense is identifying it 3 months before the home hits the market. Let me give you 3 examples. Example 1. Mom has moved into assisted living. The family decides it's time to sell the home. The property goes on the market and offers accepted. Subjects are removed. The movers are booked. Then the conveyancing lawyer reviews the power of attorney and finds a problem. The document authorizes banking and financial decisions, but not the sale or transfer of real estate. Completion cannot proceed. The buyer has already given notice on the rental. The seller has already committed to the care facility. Now everyone is scrambling while lawyers try to solve the problem that should have been discovered months earlier. Example 2. Dad signed a power of attorney 25 years ago while living in Ontario. The family assumes the power of attorney is a power of attorney. Not necessarily. Different jurisdictions have different requirements. The question isn't whether one exists. The question is whether it can be relied upon for a BC real estate transaction. The worst time to find out is after the sale is firm and completion is 2 weeks away. Another example. This one is more common than most people realize. A husband handles all of the family finances. His health suddenly declines. The wife discovers she doesn't have the authority to sign on his behalf. No valid power of attorney, no ability to complete the sale without additional legal steps. The transaction stalls, the move is delayed. The stress on the family becomes enormous. These aren't real estate problems, they are executional oversights. That's why prudent agents ask uncomfortable questions early. Who owns the property? Who is signing? Is anyone dealing with health, concerns, mobility, issues, travel plans, or circumstances that could prevent them from signing legal documents when the time comes? Because when it comes to power of attorney, the goal is to never play defense. The goal is to identify the risks before it becomes a crisis. I'm Brendan from neuHouzz, and remember, who you work with does matter.